This is Karafuru in 1 minute. Karafuru is a collection of 5,555 colourful toys to adopt. Museum of Toys and iconic Indonesian illustrator WD Willy have come together to produce these bold pieces of art as NFTs. The artwork focuses heavily on the use of vibrant colours to create variations of its 12 base characters, each as wacky as the next. The roadmap for this project has multiple stages, each set to bring an additional exciting element and diversity to its holders. These include things like merchandise, real-life events, and 3D NFTs, all being introduced in the future. The project has attracted a very large following on both Discord and Twitter, indicating its popularity amongst NFT collections due to its attractive designs and future plans. Karafuru NFTs are available to buy on OpenSea. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about Karafuru. As always, do your own research and follow us for more.